In this video, I'm showing you how to save a password for a standard user, so you'll never have to search for this solution again. Let's jump right in without wasting any time. Welcome to my channel, Credential. First, I'll check whether I'm logged in as a standard user or as an administrator. As you can see, I'm currently using a standard user account. Step 1. Create a shortcut for the application. We need to create a shortcut for the application that requires administrator privileges. Right-click on your desktop, go to New, and select Create Shortcut. Next, browse to the location where the application is installed. Select the application. Click Next, and if you want to rename the shortcut, feel free to do so before clicking Finish. Step 2. Configure the shortcut to save credentials. Every time you open the application normally, it prompts for a password. For instance, when you enter the username and password and open it for the first time, it works fine. But if you close and reopen the application, you're asked for the password again. To avoid this, follow these steps. 1. Right-click the shortcut and select Properties. 2. In the target field, prepend the command with run as /user:/username/savecred. Replace username with your actual username, and then OK. The next time you open the shortcut, it will prompt for your password once. After you enter it, the credentials will be saved, and subsequent launches won't require you to re-enter the password. Step 3. Changing the shortcut icon. If you'd like to change the icon for the shortcut, right-click the shortcut and open Properties. Click on Change Icon. If an error appears stating that the target location has no icon, simply click OK, then browse and select the same application. This will load the application's icon. Confirm by clicking OK to apply the new icon. Step 4. Updating saved credentials. Should you ever need to update your saved credentials? 1. Open the Start menu and type Cred to search for Credentials Manager. Open Credentials Manager. Under Windows Credentials, you can edit your username and password as needed. Note, this method works for standard users. For domain users, this approach won't work, and I'll provide a solution for that in my next video. If this video saved you hours of frustration, pay it forward. Share it with someone who's still stuck. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Think you've mastered this trick? Test it out and tag me in your success story. I'll feature the best ones. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.